Good afternoon, friends. Good afternoon, sir. It's indeed a great privilege for me to be amongst you this morning on the occasion of the first interactive program being organized by the Bangalore branch of SICASA, the Bangalore branch of SIRC, along with all of you. I would like to compliment the chairman of the Bangalore branch, Mr. Babu, and Mr. Shravan, the chairman of SICASA, your own chairman, for having organized this meeting for me to interact with all of you. And I think let's give them a big hand. Friends, Bangalore branch, you have to tally your balance sheet, or you have to have all your steps proper. Even if you have attempted 60%, 70% of the paper, you get 60 to 70% of the marks. Stepwise marking is something which will introduce, which will be a big support to the student community. If you have done attempted to solve the problem, almost 70% is right, you get 70% of the marks. If it's a 20 marks question, you get 14 marks. So there is something you need to keep in mind. Don't just have the endeavor of tallying your balance sheet. Yes, I used to do all that, but today we have a stepwise marking. You need to keep all this in mind. Finally, friends, I can say good luck to all of you, and we are there to support you, and I am extremely happy to work with the student community. But yes, you be proactive. You have the student journal. You can send me a mail at president@ic.org, and the Board of Studies is putting in all efforts to see how best we can help you. The latest debate that is going on is whether Companies Act 2013 should be applicable for the May 2014 examination. Yeah, November 2014 examination. Yes, the council is taking a decision shortly on this, but definitely we can assure that it will be a student-friendly decision. We also know that how difficult it is for you to prepare for the examination. And finally, friends, we all meet once again at the international conference. Generally, the international conference is held where the president comes from. This year, the international conference is at Bangalore. I have requested Babu and Shravan to put in the best efforts. We need to have the biggest audience in the history of the institute. That is a commitment, that is a target I've given to both of them. I think the highest audience, the largest audience was about 3,000 total in Ahmedabad last year. I think we need to cross that. If you're able to benchmark and keep a target of 5,000 students, having 5,000 students at one location, you'll be sending a message to the entire membership, the power of the students in Bangalore. So big targets for you from today, Shravan, and I'm sure you're a dynamic guy, you'll do well, you'll have all your friends to support you in the student community. And with all these, my thoughts of mine, I can wish you good luck. I again congratulate you and compliment you for joining this Chartered Accountancy course, and we are there to support you. And feel free to reach out to me anytime and be available to you. And finally, my compliments to Mr. Babu, the chairman of the Bangalore branch, for inaugurating the canopy, the second part of the canopy, which will be useful to all of you to have refreshments and then spend some time when you're fed up of studying. You can go up and talk to your friends. That shows the love Babu is having for all of you. And let us give a big hand for that. Friends, I love giving targets to everyone. That's been my nature. Even at home, I give targets to my daughter who's doing the second year BCom, my son. And I've given Babu a target of setting up 6 reading rooms. He has assured me he'll do it in 3 months. That is the kind of speed in which Babu is working. And whatever requests you have, please feel free to reach out to the chairman, and we'll be there to support you. Thank you very much.